Wildlife 101, welcome to Sugar Creek. This stream is in the middle of two valleys, Kniff Valley and Bowers Valley. Get ready for an adventure of a lifetime as me, Pedro Torres, and my partner Alex Lang will show you what nature has reserved for us in this particular environment.
Well, here we are, underneath Sugar Creek Bridge, made to get over the river, but also provided a habitat for so many animals. We took a gander down to the creek. Look at here what I found. A crayfish. It's a little one. It's because I don't want to break my fingers off. It's pretty neat. This provides food for raccoons and other such animals. You can see down here there's some raccoon tracks. Pretty neat. Sugar Creek Bridge. You should come here.
Hey there! I bet you couldn't see me, could ya? Well, a funny thing about nature is that nature provides an awesome hiding place to humans like us. As you can see behind me, humans habited this land before me. An awesome, well-preserved, totally safe place of living. But you can see they even had bottles and stuff. That's pretty neat, and it really helps survival. So this is Wildlife 102. If you want a wild place to live in, Sugar Creek is the place. It's a bird calling.
Now you see here, I'm straddling a trail. Animals use creeks like Sugar Creek as a natural trail for getting water, finding food, or just traveling. Look here, it runs right along this way. They probably go this way and that way. Yeah, that's what trails are for. Deer, raccoons, probably even some coyotes run along this trail. It's pretty neat. Now we're going to try to call on the elusive black crow with this right here. No luck.
You know, kids, working in nature sometimes makes me want to weep. Weep because sights like this are just beautiful. And I almost fell. You know, if I fell, I wouldn't be ashamed or anything, because I would fall in the middle of heaven. This is heaven for me. Wildlife 103. Nature is beautiful. Write that down.
Now you see this tree here? It's dead, not living, doesn't have a function anymore. Well, that's not true, it does have a function. See this water over here? It's all slow moving. See this water over here? It's all fast moving. That's because of this dead tree right here. It's very important to changing the pace of the stream up, which helps dissolve oxygen, give the little fishy some air to breathe. It's really nice and neat.
Hello kids, we meet again. This time for not so fortunate reasons. You see this? It's a dead raccoon. Raccoon had probably had a companion, maybe some children, and now it's dead and decomposed in the middle of nature. It's not a beautiful world to live in. People die, people leave. Animals die too. Sometimes people even kill animals. You think that's right? You think that's right? I think it is, because I like eating animals. Anyway, this is a raccoon that's dead and decomposed. It's not pretty. Wildlife 104. Nature kills stuff. Sometimes. Still beautiful though. Write that down.
As you all know, we're by Sugar Creek. It's right there, right alongside of it. Now, things about streams, such as Sugar Creek, there's this area along the banks that's called the riparian corridor. It's kind of the the vegetation that is the first 5 to 10 feet around the stream. Well, this riparian corridor is very important to the stream. You see here, the spring flooding still has an effect here. You can see the water from the mainstream creek has crept up over here. It's from the runoff in the winter. Riparian corridors hold lots of vegetation that keeps the bank of the stream solid and provides vegetation, food, habitat for all the animals that live on Sugar Creek. It's pretty neat. If you look here, there's some mussels. Now, I'm pretty sure raccoons have these mussels because there's some raccoon tracks riddling the area. It's pretty neat. Now, mussels probably lived in the stream at one time, but the raccoons pulled them out and then ate them. Yeah. Riparian corridors. Don't forget them.
Kids, we meet again. Joy, look at me. I'm walking on the stream. It's pretty a small stream, yeah, look at that one. It's a way bigger stream. But you're asking yourself, whoa, you call both of them streams? Yeah, you do. That is a stream order 1 stream. Pretty small, probably come from a little spring, a little bit into the woods again. But you know what? Still a stream. Few animals, yeah. Small, yeah. A stream, yeah. Look at this one. Way wider. You know what this is? Probably a stream order 2 stream. You know what it got? Probably a lot more animals than that one. It's way wider as you can see. And it's probably fed by stream order 1s like this fellow. So, Wildlife 105. Nature is fed by nature. Sounds disgusting, but it's real life.
Now you might have been wondering, what kind of animals live around here? Well, there's birds. There's like the blue heron you see every once in a while down here. You see some sandhills, blue jays, robins, you know, the ordinary birds. There's some turkeys, those are pretty cool. Big turkeys, toms, jakes, hens. Yeah. There's also coyotes, those are tiny little dog things. Pretty mean, vicious. There's deer, bucks, does, little bucks, little does. And also, not so long ago, there was a mountain lion in this area. Not native, but it was still down here. That was scary. Mountain lions, avoid them. There's plenty of wildlife around here. Even a woodchuck. Scariest thing you'll even see. Scarier than a mountain lion. We saw one. Now looky here. Caught a frog. They live in streams, no matter what size they are. Now, this frog is a little hard to catch, as you can tell. It's got a little mud on my pants, a little mud on my hands. Pretty nice frog. A little difficult to catch. I think we'll put him back with his friends, because as you know, got to put nature back with nature. Now, you might be wondering, where does Sugar Creek come from? Where does it go? Well, this here Sugar Creek starts north of Elkhorn. A little collection of springs and streams that come together to make a bigger creek like this one. And now over on that way, it meets under 120, gets a little bigger. Then eventually meets up with Honey Lake. A lake, that's pretty big. And then it exits the Honey Lake, it meets up with the Fox River. Now we're talking a huge stream, alright? Still a stream though.
Okay, now we're gonna try owl and doe. Okay, this is owl. Yeah, no owls at all. I don't know, they just live at night, I guess. This is doe. And now, since no does appear, I'm gonna try really rare species of the doe owl. Okay, you ready? Oh, doesn't work. Doesn't work as well. Wait. Damn. Oh, Oh, no, that was just a bug. Okay. Obviously, no owls or owls around here at this time. Probably they're having lunch. Hello, boys and girls. Here we are in nature again. And now, I want to talk to you about climate change. I'm pretty sure you heard of it in television and Al Gore's mouth all the time. So, basically, what I'm going to say is that climate change is bad. Fishes that live in streams like Sugar Creek are ectotherms, which means that they require a specific environment temperature to live in. Climate change changes the temperature, which makes it harder for fishes to live in the environment, and probably they will die. And that means that the species that feed on those fish will die too. And the species that feed on the fish, yeah, they will die. So basically everyone just dies because of climate change. Everyone. So take care of the world, children. It's a beautiful place. Let's take care of it. So Wildlife 106/107, I'm not really sure. Doesn't even matter. Nature is in flow state. Let's keep the flow in a good level. Don't rush it, okay?
Now, what we got here is a genuine turkey call. Pretty annoying, but pretty neat. Nothing. Okay, what we got here? We found ourselves a raccoon. You look over there. Can't see us yet. Can't see us at all. Might look like it's not real, but that's just some camouflage, right? We can see if we can see if we can harvest a raccoon today. The raccoon! Yeah! Look at that! Pretty awesome. Neat. Raccoon. Yeah. Okay, we're done.